The atmosphere was filled with great expectation as Governor Nyesom Wike, the PDP governorship candidate Sim Fubara, and other members of the PDP family in Rivers State sat with their eyes glued to the television set and waited anxiously for the results of the Saturday, March 18 governorship election to be declared. The results were finally announced after several hours, with Sim Fubara declared winner of the governorship election. The celebration then continued outside. Governor Nyesom Wike, the Rivers State Governor-elect, and other jubilant PDP supporters danced, sang and gave praise to God, who has been faithful to them.
This victory is dedicated to Almighty God.
Amen.
And to the people of the state. Let me thank all of you for the support you've given, how you stood firm to make sure that we defend what is Rivers State. In 2015, we did it. In 2019, we did it. And in 2023, we have done it. It's not surprising. God has always been with us.
Sim Fubara says he will never betray the trust given to him by Rivers people. Aware of the big shoes he has to fill, the governor-elect says he will work day and night to build a united, safe and prosperous Rivers State.
My principal will be living a very big shoe. I'll need a lot of stockings so my leg can fit in properly. So I need to start working on it. I need all of you to continue to support us for us to achieve and maintain the standard that he has already led and established for us.
And as members of the PDP family bask in the euphoria of their victory, Governor Nyesom Wike is, however, quick to warn that there's much work to be done to protect what they've worked so hard to achieve.
Enemies are still around. Enemies are still around. We must be vigilant. We must be what?
Vigilant.
We continue to work as one, the way we did in National Assembly, down to the Governorship and House of Assembly. We work the same to protect this seat.